Alright, hey everyone, hope you're all doing well, hope everyone's staying safe out there. So I've got here a VSR 9-pin cam lock. This is a dimple lock that has 5 pins on this side coming out right here, and then 4 pins in between those coming out this way. These are surprisingly tough little locks to pick. I think they have tapered pins in them, so they're incredibly easy to overset. And you also have to pick each pin multiple times in order to get it truly set. So it definitely makes for a pain while picking. There we go. I had a pin overset there. Alright. Well, I don't know if I can gut this because I haven't tried yet. I know that I think when Correct Jeans did his, he had to drill out part of the sleeve. But I'm going to go ahead and give it a shot, I guess. We'll start taking it apart, see what we get. Okay, that's what it is. It's that little crimp there. I might be able to pry that up. Yeah, I think I can do that. Let's see what I got here. Need something a little stronger. There we go. Perfect. I can just push it back down when I'm done. Alright, so I guess we will start. Oh, I think I just heard a stink bug or something flying around in here. Guess we'll start right here. Got a spring. That will be number 5, I think. And we've got driver pin and key pin. Yeah, that's what it is. They've got that little T-pin end on them. I'll arrange them when I get my tweezers together. I think I might be able to do another one on this side before I have to do the other. Oop. Wow. That spring just hit me in the forehead and I actually caught it. That was funny. Okay. I'm going to try to be a little more careful with these next time. Alright, so I've got that there. And then I've also got one coming out the other side here. So that's going to be number 4. And I'll arrange these better when I can. So I now have number 3 coming out there. And 2 here. And we've got that one there. Oops, shit. I think I screwed up a little bit. What did I lose? Okay, I've got a key pin from there. Okay. Oh, that wasn't bad. Oh, wait, no. I've got a key pin from this chamber, too. There we go. And I just had the drivers that got confused. Okay. So let me... Oh, good, that sleeve is off. And it looks like... Yeah, the core is crimped into place, so there's nothing we can do there. We can look at it. There's nothing really special going on there. Okay. Let me organize all these pins and springs. Because they are pretty cool. So this is one of the drivers. You see it's got that little tapered end on it. So it makes these things such a pain in the ass. And the key pins mainly just look like standard dimple lock key pins with that little T element to stop them from dropping all the way down into the keyway. The driver pins are different sizes depending on the size of the key pin. So that is important to keep them all in line. The smaller ones really don't like to sit on their edge. There we go. Alright, so there are all of the pins. And this 9-pin VSR. Neat little lock. It's definitely a fun pick. Alright all, thanks a lot. Take care. See you on the next one. Hey, so I just wanted to show you guys, I didn't mention it previously, but the key pins are actually also all tapered, which makes this just that much more difficult, because that's why they're so easy to overset. I was just putting it back together and I realized I hadn't mentioned that, so I wanted to pop in and say it. Alright, thanks a lot. Take care.